For our commentary analysis, we'll look at the transition between the first and second acts of 2001: A Space Odyssey, directed by Stanley Kubrick. After the apes discover the monolith, Starchild, as referred to in the script, realizes the ability to use a bone as a club. Using the tool, Starchild is able to lead his apes against their enemies and take back the waterhole. If a club was the first tool, Kubrick is suggesting that human evolution was driven by violence and warfare. Although looking at the apes, the violent depictions of barbaric warfare seem to condemn violence, a common notion in late 1960s American culture. A recurring symbol in the movie is the phallic symbol, representing male dominance over his environment. Here, it is the bone, which enables the apes to conquer their enemies and begins human evolution. Starchild throws the bone into the air, and Kubrick encompasses 4 million years of human achievement when the shot of the bone cuts to a space station orbiting the Earth. Kubrick uses the direction of movement first by having the spaceship fall under the still frame shot to create a feeling of disorientation in the viewer. His revolutionary technique of the spiral, rolling motion of the round spaceship influenced science fiction space films from then on. The classical style music also reflects the epitome of human culture that this movie tries to represent. Many of the spaceships again represent a phallus, and the space travel here is meant to be an allegory for male domination of the unknown, the blackness of space being the epitome of mystery and unknown. As the sleek, active male spacecraft enters the round space station, again it is a phallic image of male entry into a female. The extended cuts of seemingly slow-moving spacecrafts above the Earth creates a majestic feel to add to the triumph of mankind over its womb, the Earth. The last image we will look at is a floating pen. In this futuristic world, Kubrick makes it a point to focus on one of the basic tools we use in our own lives. The pen is suspended in space, showing that in space, men are not in control of the tools that we take for granted on Earth. Although this seems like an arbitrary moment, Kubrick is foreshadowing the greater questions of the film.